The DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most talked about drones of the decade, and for good reason. The leaks and insider reports so far suggest that DJI is preparing to release something the drone world has never seen before. A truly hybrid flying machine that can record both immersive 360 footage and traditional FPV-style video, seamlessly switching between the two modes. It's a bold move that could redefine what's possible in aerial videography and FPV experiences, fusing the adrenaline rush of first-person flying with the cinematic magic of complete environmental capture. After the success of the original Avata and the refined performance of the Avata 2, DJI seems ready to push boundaries even further. The Avata 360 is not just another upgrade, it's a reinvention of how drones can be used creatively. According to early images and leaks that surfaced as far back as May, the Avata 360 sports a new, slimmer body design that's both longer and flatter than its predecessors. The top of the drone now sits nearly level with the rotors, a design decision that likely helps keep the body out of view when filming in 360. The extended rear section seems to balance the new aerodynamic frame, and the soft gray finish brings it in line with DJI's newer lineup. When the first blurry prototype surfaced online, there was no visible top lens, sparking speculation that DJI was concealing a major feature. Things became even more intriguing when another company, Anti-Gravity, announced its own 360 drone for release in early 2026. That announcement seemed to light a fire under DJI, which, according to sources, was already deep in development of the Avata 360. Not long after, no leaks appeared showing a faint bump on the top of the drone, fueling rumors that this was the hidden 360 camera lens. This led to the exciting theory that DJI might release two versions, one optimized for 360 capture and another focused purely on FPV performance. But later photos and reports suggested something even more ambitious. DJI wasn't planning two separate models, but one versatile drone capable of both modes. This design reportedly uses a rotating gimbal that can flip the bottom lens inward for protection during FPV flight, effectively hiding it when not in 360 mode. It's an ingenious solution that lets the drone switch identities with a simple rotation, giving pilots full creative flexibility without changing hardware. The Avata 360 is said to feature dual lenses, each offering a 180 field of view. Together, they'll capture a full 360 sphere in up to 8000 resolution, stitched with DJI's AI-powered processing for stunning clarity and smoothness. In FPV mode, the forward-facing camera is expected to shoot up to 5000 video at 60 frames per second and capture detailed 30-megapixel stills. For 360 photography, the system may even deliver massive 120-megapixel panoramic images. This blend of speed and quality could open new creative doors for pilots, filmmakers, and content creators alike, allowing them to record high-intensity flight scenes one moment and breathtaking spherical panoramas the next. Under the hood, DJI is reportedly upgrading almost every major system. The Avata 360 may feature 128 GB of internal storage with additional micros support for extended recording sessions. The new O4 Plus transmission system is said to extend the control range up to an incredible 20 kilometers, ensuring strong and stable connections even in challenging environments. Battery life has also seen a modest boost, with expected flight times reaching around 25 minutes, not record-breaking, but solid considering the added camera technology on board. The drone safety features look equally impressive. In FPV mode, it's rumored to include front LiDAR, rear optical sensors, and bottom infrared detection for advanced obstacle avoidance. When switched into 360 mode, the camera system itself may act as a multi-directional sensing network, providing awareness and collision prevention in every direction. DJI is also integrating its advanced subject tracking technology, similar to what's seen in its Mini and Neo series, allowing the drone to automatically follow people, vehicles, or other moving subjects with cinematic precision. DJI appears to be planning multiple purchase options for the Avata 360. Leaks mention a standard drone-only kit starting around $500, with additional combo packages that include FPV goggles, motion controllers, and extra batteries for professional pilots. Those who prefer manual FPV flight will still need the FPV Controller 3, which will likely be sold separately. With a rumored release window between December 16th and 18th, DJI seems eager to beat its new rival Anti-Gravity, whose own 360 drone is expected to launch on December 4th. Despite all the excitement, the Avata 360 won't be for everyone. Editing 360 footage requires significant computing power and time, and FPV flying has always involved a steep learning curve. But for enthusiasts, creators, and professionals seeking total creative freedom in a single drone, the potential rewards are enormous. Early impressions from insiders suggest this may be DJI's most innovative product yet, and not just an evolution of their FPV line, but the creation of an entirely new category of drone filmmaking. What makes this drone truly special goes beyond technical specs. It's about the feeling it delivers. Pilots describe flying it as liberating, more like exploring a space than controlling a machine. Beginners reportedly find it surprisingly stable, thanks to DJI's intelligent flight correction systems, while seasoned FPV pilots are impressed that it delivers dynamic, immersive visuals without the need for advanced piloting skills. Travel vloggers and content creators love the idea of capturing multiple angles from a single flight, both horizontal and vertical perspectives that can be reframed later in editing, saving hours of reshooting. Of course, no drone is perfect. Battery life, while decent, is still average compared to DJI's mini-series. Editing 8K 360 footage demands serious processing power, and even with AI stitching, minor visual artifacts may appear on complex textures like water or tree branches. Those seeking cinematic shallow depth of field shots straight out of the camera will still prefer traditional drones. Yet the creative freedom offered by the Avata 360 is something entirely new, a device that encourages imagination and exploration over technical mastery. In many ways, the Avata 360 symbolizes a shift in drone filmmaking away from rigid control and toward expressive storytelling. It's not about perfect piloting anymore, it's about capturing experiences that feel alive and spontaneous. If DJI delivers on the promise of this design, the Avata 360 could mark the beginning of a new era in aerial creativity, one where the sky truly becomes your canvas, and every flight feels like a new story waiting to be told.